Founded in 2002, Auplex is a professional ceramic expert with 20 years of experience. Our factory integrates research and development, production, and sales department, covers an area of more than 13,000 square meters, specializing in manufacturing and marketing various sublimation items, such as ceramic marks, tiles, and related sublimation consumables with a monthly capacity of more than 3 million units. We have 8 semi-automatic computer temperature-controlled shuttle kilns, 2 lines of 15 meters fully automatic computer temperature-controlled tunnel kilns, and 7 automatic forming machines. Besides, we have 6 coating factories to meet daily order demands. 3 in Shandong Province, 1 in Jiangxi Province, another one in Guangdong Province. Our ceramic mark, which is designed and manufactured by ourselves, has been exported all over the world and has established a long-term strategic partnership with more than 115 international markets. We have developed more than 5,000 products and built up our reputation by outstanding product quality, short delivery period, best after-sales service, and ever-developing spirit. We invite our dear customers and partners from all over the world to our office and factory to discuss more film cooperation. Our sales team is 24 hours online for more effective communication. We sincerely looking forward to working with you as a partner. Your demand is our only job. Your satisfaction is our biggest motivation.